Hello and welcome to Shrimpy. My name is Jade and today we will learn how to delete a portfolio. Shrimpy allows you to separate your funds into portfolios so you can execute multiple trading strategies on your assets. When you no longer need a portfolio, you may delete it. To delete a portfolio from the dashboard, we click Manage Portfolios. Here we see all of the portfolios under this exchange. We will delete the example portfolio. We cannot delete a portfolio that has funds in it, so we must first transfer our funds to our default portfolio. We will select all of the assets in the portfolio and then select Transfer. Now that our portfolio is empty, we can select the Settings icon, and then we can delete the portfolio. After we delete a portfolio, Shrimpy will remove the trade and balance data for that portfolio. There is currently no way to recover deleted portfolios, so please be completely sure you no longer need the portfolio before deleting. If you have any questions, please reach out to our friendly support staff at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help answer your questions.